Today's video is what I call Igbo farm vlog. Yes, so follow me to see a few farm products in their raw and unharvested state and what they are called in Igbo language. Okay, so you're going to hear my voice in the background while I do the walking and the talking and the capturing of these farm products. Okay, Ngwan, kaigaba niru. Ife anyị na-akpọ ubi n'oyibo wụ farm. In Igbo language, farm translates ubi, okay? Ubi, farm, ubi. So today we are going to start with corn. Here we have corn, oka, corn or maize, okay? Excuse me. Corn. For oka, corn. We have different species of oka, but the white and the yellow predominant in this area. So we have the white and the yellow corn. That is oka. Okay? Yes. We have different methods of preparing oka for consumption. Okay? Anyị na-eshi ọka eshi. We cook corn. Anyị na-eshi ọka eshi. Anyị na-eshi ọka eshi. We cook it. That we boil it, we cook it. We also roast it. Anyị na-arụ ọka arụ. Anyị na-arụ ọka arụ. Ife anyị ji ọka eme erike. Ife anyị ji ọka eme orili nne. Okay? Use corn for different things, different kind of dishes. Okay? Then next are plantains. Plantains. In Igbo, we just call that jioko. Have you heard that before? Jioko. For plantains, jioko. Looking at these plantains here, you will notice they are yet to mature, meaning they cannot be harvested or edible yet. Okay? So, as they are now, we call that jioko akaraka. Jioko akaraka, meaning they are yet to mature. They are yet to mature. Jioko akaraka. Akaraka means it's not mature, okay? But when they mature, you simply say jioko kalaka. Jioko kalaka. Very good. So let's look at ripe plantains and unripe plantains. Ripe plantains are called jioko chalacha. Jioko chalacha for the ripe plantains. Jioko chalacha. Then the unripe ones, we call that jioko akacharacha. Jioko akacharacha. Jioko akacharacha is for the unripe. Then the ripe ones, we call that jioko chalacha. Jioko chalacha for the ripe. Then jioko akacharacha. Jioko akacharacha. Okay. The next one here is the breadfruit. The breadfruit. In Igbo, we call that ukwa. Ukwa. Ukwa is a very luxurious and expensive food for Igbo people. Ukwa comes with class. We have ukwa, breadfruit. Excuse me. This particular farm product acts as solid food and sometimes as a snack, depending on the method of processing and cooking. Okay? The next on our list here is pawpaw. Pawpaw. We call this okwulu beke or okwulu oyibo. Okwulu beke or okwulu oyibo. Okay? It comes in different species. As you can see, sometimes it comes very long. Okay? I'm very happy doing this. We are still here at the farm. Don't forget, farm. Ubi, farm. Translate what? Ubi, farm. I'm so happy doing this. Yes. So the last but not the least for today is coconut. Coconut. Coconut in Igbo, we call that aku oyibo. Aku oyibo or ake beke. Aku oyibo. Aku oyibo or ake beke. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Odomanya na nkuzi keta nwelulu obaloge. Afam ka wakwa ngozika. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Watch out for the next interesting video. Ngwan, kodi no gozo. Bye.